actually moving. Yeah. Hi besties, I know, okay, I can explain. There's nothing as bad as taking a long break and then coming back to vlogging. My voice is so deep, I'm having colds. Anyway besties, I missed you so much. Tell me in the comment section how you guys have been. I have seen so many, yani pressure many patia. You guys have given me so much pressure to come back to vlogging. I didn't leave intentionally. It's been a lot going behind the scenes, okay? But it's also for my own good. So first, I have some cold and it's really stressing me, but that is not going to, you know, hinder me from doing the vlog for you. Thank you so much besties for, you know, keeping it here even when I was away. Like nilipata subscribers. I'm still getting subscribers, still getting views even when I was away, you know. And then there's a video that did so well. You guys, you're so good. People came to my inbox, people DM'd me on Instagram. They were asking, Benita, I don't see you. You know, it was not intentional, besties. And then other people were texting on their videos. I saw your video and that was really so overwhelming, and I felt so good. I felt like, you know, at least I have a family that checks up on me when I go missing for some time. But I promise not to, you know, promise to leave you besties again. And I feel like right now, at least I'm in a better position, you know, to balance out this YouTube thing. So I had to choose between making money, and I know YouTube yes pays, but see, it's not that consistent unless you besties you know, you make me be that bigger YouTuber ndio utakuwa unategemea. So I had to make a decision between making money and just vlogging. So I went for making money. So this is to say that I'm finally back. My voice is not okay, so please ignore that. Pray for me so that I can get better. I come back because you guys are not ready for what I have in store for you. So after a long time, it's also the first time my house is seeing me. You guys should see this house. It's a total mess. Then when I was away, which I'm going to share, okay, it's just mambo na work. When I was away hustling, my tokens zilisha. So my fridge had some stuff that right now you guys should not even see them, but I'm going to show you. So my house is really in a total mess. I know I am not feeling okay right now, but I want to clean up my fridge. Then I don't even have food in this house. Then I go maybe get some food, but before then I need to get some medication because my cold is really messing with me. I am feeling extremely bad, but you know, kujikaza tu, kujikaza ndio form. I still do not have a ring light. It got spoiled, so I need to work my way out to get a new one. But for now and for today, I know this video is going to be short. It's because I'm actually not feeling it. I'm not feeling okay. That psych, yeah. But anyway, let's clean our fridge. Don't forget, as always, you know, to leave a comment in the comment section. And yes guys, we are actually moving. Yeah, that's also that's a very good news. We are moving. The only thing that I'm not going to do here is to tell you when that I'll be moving, but just know I am going to move. I am moving, and it's going to be a surprise. Okay, so stick here, stick here. We move from this house together. We go to our new house together. Turn on your post notifications so that you get notified anytime a new video is uploaded. Yeah. So let's get into this short video.
Now I need a duster. Ah, you want.
found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby.